Hello dear students, as we have already completed exercise 4a, today we are going to start with exercise 4b. Here we will learn how to add two rational numbers when the denominators are same or different. If the denominators are same, let us start with question number 1, bit number 1. It says 1 by 3 and 4 by 3. You can see that the denominators are same over here. So 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. We will write the denominator as it is and we will add the numerator over the denominator. Adding the numerator will give you 1 plus 4, that is 5 upon 3. Numerators are added as it is and the denominator is written whatever it is. 5 upon 3 is the answer when we add 1 by 3 and 4 by 3. Coming to the second part, we have 2 by 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Here again the denominator is same, so we have to add the numerator over the denominator. Adding the numerator, we have 5 in the denominator, 2 plus, here we have minus 3. Do not forget the sign, children. So we will write it as minus 3. So 2 plus minus 3, greater number is of negative sign, will give you minus 1 upon 5. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So minus 1 upon 5 is the answer. Question number 2. It says you have to add the rational number, but here the denominator is different. There are two different ways in which you can solve this, by making the denominator equal or by taking the LCM. Let us take the LCM of 2 and 3. When we find out the LCM of 2 and 3, 2 ones are 2 and 3 remains as it is, 3 ones are and ones are. So we get 2 into 3, that is 6 as the LCM. So when we got 6 as the LCM, the denominator will be 6. 2, how many times 2 multiplied will give you 6? 2 3s are 6. So 3 is multiplied with the numerator, whatever is there in the rational number. 3 into 1 will give you 3 plus 3, how many times multiplied will give you 6? So 3 2s are 6. So 2 will be multiplied into the numerator over here. 2 into 1 is 2. The resultant will be 5 upon 6. So your answer is 5 upon 6. In the second question, we are finding out the LCM because the denominator is not the same. So 3 upon 5 plus, we have minus 2 in the numerator. I am writing it in bracket because it has a negative sign with it. Minus 2 upon 7. That is again the LCM of 5 and 7. If you take the LCM of 5 and 7, 5 ones are 7, 7 ones are, and you got 5 into 7, that is 35. So the denominator is 35. 5 multiplied 7 times will give you 35 and this 7 will be multiplied with the numerator. 7 into 3 is 21 plus 7 multiplied by what will give you 35? 7 5s are. So 5 into minus 2. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, children. Do not confuse. Because there is a negative sign with 2, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. So we got it as 21 minus 10 upon 35. That is 11 upon 35 as the answer. If you still have any confusion with the sign, let me show it to you here. When we have two positive numbers multiplied, we get a positive answer. Plus into plus will give you a plus. Minus into minus will give you a plus again. So when the signs are same, we get a positive number. But when the signs are different, that is minus into plus will give you minus and plus into minus will again give you a minus. Which happened here? We had a plus and a minus, which gave you a minus sign, that is minus 10, which will give you 21 minus 10 is 11 upon 35. Coming to question number 3. Question number 3, first bit says 1 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. Let me keep it in a bracket to make it separate so that will be clear. Minus 2 by 3. Now you can see the denominator is same in all the 3 cases. So keeping the denominator 3. 3 ones are, now we'll just add on whatever is there in the numerator. We have 1 in the numerator, plus we have 7 in the numerator, plus we have minus 2 in the numerator, which will be written in the bracket. 7 plus 1 will give you 8. 8 minus 2 upon 3, that is 6 upon 3, which is equal to 2, or you can write it as 2 upon 1 in a simplest form. Question number 3, third bit says 1 by 4 plus again minus 3 by 8, I am keeping it in a bracket, plus 5 by 6. So in this case we have to take the LCM of 4, 8 and 6. LCM of 4, 8 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Again with 2, 2 1s are and 3. Now with 3, 1 1 1. So we got it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 6 into 4, which is 24. We got the LCM as 24. So 24 will be the denominator and 4, 8, 6 are 24. So 6 into 1 will give you 6 here, plus we have 8 as the second denominator. 8 multiplied by what will give you 24? 8 3s are. So 3 will be multiplied with minus 3. So 3 into minus 3 will give you minus 9, plus 6 4s are. So 4 into 5 will give you 20. I hope this step is clear. Then 6 plus 20 is 26. 26 minus 9, either you do it that way, or 6 minus 9. Now we have 6 plus into minus as discussed here. Plus into minus is minus. So 6 minus 9 plus 20 upon 24. That is 6 minus 9 is minus 3 plus 20 upon 24. Answer is 17 upon 24. 17 upon 24 is the answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 is to simplify. The first bit says minus 9 upon 16 plus 7 upon 12. So here again the base is different, or the denominator is different. So when we take the LCM of 16 and 12, two 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are and 3 remains as it is, 2 1s are, 3 remains as it is, 3 1s are and 1. So we got it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 8 into 6, that is 48 as the LCM. Taking 48 as the LCM. Now 16 we have in the denominator, 16 multiplied by what will give you 14? So 16 threes are 3 into minus 9. 3 into a negative number. Plus into minus will give you minus. So we have got minus 27. 12 multiplied by what will give you 48? So 12 we have over here in the denominator and we have 7 in the numerator. So 12 fours are 48, 7 into 4, that is 28, and we have a positive 28 or a plus 28. So 28 minus 27, greater number has a sign of plus. 28 minus 27 is 1. 1 upon 48 is your answer. Question number 5 says to express the rational numbers as a sum of integer and rational number. Let us see what we have to do in this question. We have to simply divide and write it in that form. 13 divided by 6. That is, if we divide it, you can see 6 twos are 12. We got a remainder of 1. When we are writing it, we will write it in the form 2 as a whole number or an integer, 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. This is how you write it in the mixed fraction also. So 2 1 upon 6. 2 1 upon 6 can also be written as 2 plus 1 upon 6. So when you solve 2 plus 1 upon 6, you are simply going to get 13 upon 6. So 2 1 upon 6 can be written as 2 plus 1 upon 6, where 2 is the integer part and 1 by 6 is the rational number part. Question number 6. In question number 6, Anshaj walks 2 by 5 kilometers from a place P towards the north. That means the person is going towards the north for 2 by 5 kilometers. 2 upon 5 kilometers, wherever the direction may be, towards the north. Then from there, 2 by 3 kilometers towards the south. Now, north and south are in opposite direction if you know. So, 2 by 3 kilometers towards the south. That means coming back towards the opposite direction. When it is going 2 by 5 kilometers, the person is going 2 by 5 kilometers and coming back in the opposite direction for 2 by 3 kilometers. Opposite direction we can consider it as negative sign because coming back. So minus 2 by 3. So we will take it to find his position from P. 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. That is 2 by 5. Converting it into improper fraction, if you know how to convert, 2 by 3 can be written as 3 into 1 plus 2 upon 3. That is 5 upon 3. So, plus minus 5 upon 3. Now, the LCM of what? 5 and 3 is 15. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So, we will take it as 15. 5 3s are 15. So, 3 into 2 will give you 6. 5 into what is 15? 3. So, 3 into 2 will give you 6 plus 3 5s are 15. So, minus 5 into 5. Minus 5 into 5 will give you a negative number, minus 25. So, 6 plus minus 25 upon 15. That will give you the result as 25 is in a negative number. 6 minus 25, because plus into minus is minus. 6 minus 25 upon 15, which is minus 19 upon 15. minus 19 upon 15 can be simplified and written in a simpler form by dividing it. If we divide minus 19 upon 15, 15 ones are 15 and we are left with a remainder of 4. I have not taken the minus sign here. So how am I going to write it? 1 whole 4 upon 15, but we had a negative sign because it is going in the opposite direction. Which direction we were taking it in a negative sign? We were taking it towards the south. So the person is 1/4 upon 15 kilometers from P towards which direction? Towards the south direction. I hope it is clear. With this, we have completed this exercise, and your homework is to do question number 1, bit number 3, question number 2, bit number 4, and question number 5, bit number 2 in your notebook. Whichever one single notebook you have made, you are going to do these questions there. Along with this, the rest questions you have to practice. All the rest questions you are going to practice it. Thank you, children.